Hello guys, so finally I got my GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition recently. I bought this from one of the retail store in Bangalore from Lulu Mall. So they given me some discount price. The MRP is about 49,500. I got it for 35,000 from Lulu Mall. So they given me a pretty good discount since 10 is available now. So that's how the price is reduced. Like from the company itself, they are giving some discount. Plus the showroom people also give some discount. And another thing, what I was checking while buying, like we need to be assured that it should be an original product. So 2-3 things I can guide you on that. One thing, there will be a sticker, 1-year warranty. It will be written 1-year warranty here. And another thing, there will be a hologram saying GoPro official product India. So these two things mainly you have to look at it. And again the MRP sticker, the MRP has to be actual MRP, should be visible there. For me, GoPro is my first action camera. So I want to share with you guys my real-time experience, real experience. And I have not done much editing on this video, so I want to share the real experience with you guys. So whoever is buying for the first time this camera and doesn't have any idea about action camera, how it will be, and what accessories need to be need to purchase along with that. So all those things I cover in this video. So let's see what is inside of this. Let's open and see. So when you're buying a GoPro, it doesn't come with a memory card or a charging adapter. It doesn't come with this. So all this for me, it was a new experience for me. So you can find many videos regarding GoPro. They will be showing the experience, what is the features, all those things. But none of the people shown how they bought and what they faced, what all they faced issues while buying. And so not only camera, we need to buy other accessories also with the GoPro to use it to use it further for vlogging or any other purpose. So on this video, I'm basically planning for a beginner who is buying a GoPro for the first time, not an advanced level. Whoever is buying a GoPro 8 then updating to a GoPro 9. So this is for a beginner. Like you can consider as a beginner video. I already reviewed the features and all online. Even though they have written all these features on the box itself. So it says 20 megapixel camera, then slow motion is there, then super photo. Then 2-3 things I found it very interesting on the GoPro, that up to 30 or 33 feet it can go under the water. It is waterproof up to 30 or 33 feet. So another good point is the build quality. So when you are paying about 35,000, so we also expect a good quality. So GoPro offers that kind of a good stability for the camera, as well as the body. Everything is very hard made. So I normally use my mobile phone for shooting my YouTube videos and other vlogging videos. So I sort of upgrading to another level. So that's the reason I bought GoPro, and it has a good stability and many other features as well. So thinking of a beginner's point of view, I'm not a technical camera person. So as a beginner for a basic vlogging and another action-oriented vlogging also, this is a very good option for anyone to buy. If you have a good budget, then buy Hero 9 or Hero 10. Or else you can afford for a Hero 7 also. That's also a good. They also provide a good stability in your video. So the GoPro camera comes with a good packaging, and they previously provide some plastic kind of a packaging. Now they want to apply the sustainability concept or recycling concept. So they're giving all reusable or recyclable material on this. So let's see what's inside and what all things they provide on this box. So this is the first impression. They provide a reusable bag which is very hard made, and it has a good made quality. And it's written GoPro here, it's printed here. And when you open there is a user manual here, and there's a camera, and there is a mounting for helmet, and another thing, this kind of mounting, like you can paste it on the helmet, and there's a screw, and this is for mounting on a helmet again. It will be mounted with this. So I'll show you separately on this thing. So this is our GoPro HERO 9, and it's written 9 black here, and there is a back screen, and there's a small front screen. This is a lens, then the shutter button, then the power button. Then it's very cute, and it's very even very handy also. So it's only so much, you can see, it's only so much, very small, but built very tough. And there is a microphone here, and you can also have an extra microphone outside with the media mode. So I'll show you that separately. And two things, you can pull it out. This is for basically for holding purpose, so it goes inside, and we can keep it on something. So this is our GoPro. It mentioned 9 black. Then this is a C cable for charging, and another battery. One battery will come with this, and these are for mounting on the helmet. So these are the only accessories comes with the GoPro. So now you have seen what all accessories comes with the GoPro. So other than these, I had to buy 3 extra accessories. One is on tripod I bought. Second is a micro SD memory card. Third one, I bought a silicone case for extra safety. So whatever I bought, all I bought from online. Product link I mentioned in the description box. So these are the accessories I bought extra. So the memory card I inserted already, the micro SD one. Then there is a silicone case I bought. It comes with a lens cover, lens cap, whatever it is. Then it also comes with the silicone case. I also got tempered glass for all 3, 2 screens and for the lens. Then I got this nice tripod, and this can be used as a, for holding the camera, and it is also expandable. 3-level expansion is there, and it's very sturdy material, and have a good grip also while holding. And for attaching your GoPro, you need to insert it here and use the screw to attach it. So GoPro has 2 clips, so that we can insert the tripod here. So you just have to insert it like this, then use this screw. This comes with this also provide a screw, and GoPro also provide another screw. So you can use either of the one and just insert it. That's it. It's ready to use. And you can also expand it if you wish to, and you can shoot it like this. And it's very handy also, and it's very cute. See, it's only so much. So if you want to use it like a tripod, you can use it like this, and you can shoot video like this. Then Otherwise, you can fold it back and use it like a handy cam. See, so simple. So all of these accessories I bought, whatever I bought, I've put the link in the description box. So whoever wish to purchase, they can click on the link and purchase it. So and now I'm going to shoot some video clips to check the clarity. So that I'm going to put in the next episode. See you then, guys. Bye.